Okay, hello. What we're going to try to do today is I'm just testing this with a PowerPoint. This is a PowerPoint I created sometime this past summer, but it's actually talking about NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory and X-ray and ultraviolet images that it produces or takes every day and then posts it up on a NASA site. These are stunning images. They're going to be taking in different wavelengths. Now, these are wavelengths that are actually too small for us to see, X-rays and ultraviolet, but then they're actually transformed or transferred back into a visible characteristic. So these are not truly X-ray or truly ultraviolet because they're putting it into a format that we can see. But what it's actually doing is it's actually allowing us to see through the photosphere, the surface of the sun, and actually see some of the intricacies or the motions that are going on in that giant glowing plasma ball that we call the sun. The website down at the bottom, huffingtonpost.com, will actually give you to the images that are there. This is one of the images. I think this one is probably one of the coolest because of the multicolor. And if you take a look, you can see lots of things that are in there. My favorite color being purple, second being red. You can see lots of different colors that are in there. And I really can't say much more about it other than the fact that it's showing you tremendous areas of violence or kinetic motion in the sun caused by the nuclear fusion going on somewhere around 15 million degrees Celsius internal temperature. At that speed, hydrogen is actually moving fast enough that the ions that normally repel each other, these guys are moving fast enough they not only collide but they fuse, performing helium. If you actually look at the molecular weights or the atomic masses of two hydrogens versus one helium, the helium is just a tad less massive, and with E is equal to mc squared, we find out that that mass gets transferred into energy, and it's a tremendous amount of energy to warm us up. Actually the third warmest winter on record so far in northern Virginia, and I'm sure other than maybe the far north, which is now starting to receive more snow, or the Midwest, which has just got rocked by over 100 tornadoes over the past Friday, Saturday, today being Sunday. I think they would differ. It's been but here on the East Coast of the United States, it's been a very mild winter. Another view, more or less like my forest park colors, blue and green, but again showing you the areas that actually are showing some tremendous motions, tremendous violence, tremendous expression of the violence that's going on inside due to that nuclear fusion. And I'm just going to go ahead and go through these. You can actually access these through that Huffington site that's on the front. Beautiful pictures. All different types of wavelengths, and if you notice, the wavelengths are sort of showing you, especially looking over in this area right here, showing you pretty much the same thing, but stressing different areas. You can actually see probably a sunspot right there and probably one right there. They tend to get these magnetic fields going on. Some of the time when this is a visible thing, we call these prominence, but this would be a prominence through whatever wavelength this is supposed to be. Beautiful green. Beautiful light blue, beautiful yellow, orange, and again, notice the areas that were of intensity still showing up in lots of colors. Pink, orange, blue, and that's the show. Again, looking at lots of different colors, lots of different wavelengths of the sun, viewed over a particular day. Beautiful way of looking at the sun and the aspects that are going on. Thank you. Bye.